Hello, good night. I am MarcelaBermeo Suarez. I am 35 years old. I'm from Pamplona. I live with and my brother and my two children in Pai de Cuesta. I am commercial in home center. I'm also a student of business administration. I like listening to music, dancing, playing video games and my children. I'm going to talk back my final word from that's two. The it. To begin, I want to give my opinions about the modern technology and its implication on environment. I think technology is more harmful than useful for environment. For example, when the product is broken, people prefer to buy a new one instead of fixing it because it's cheaper. So we have a lot of these products that are made of polluting materials, plastic, polypropylene, lead batteries in the trash. It wouldn't be so, but its people will take these products to a place where they can reuse the pieces that are still good. It wouldn't be necessary to exploit more resources to get made. In the future, I think the earth is going to be full of trash in 50 years more or less. The rivers are going to be dry. The sunlight is going to be so strong till the point in can walk on the street with without protection. To finish, I think that a way to mitigate the environmental damage, the government should implement mechanisms to avoid non-compliance with the laws regarding the disposal of stone waste in rivers, seas, oceans, and the toxicity that due to the water we drink and use every day. At the same time, people should reduce water consumption in every house.